Welcome, I'm Geraldine, the Liaison Librarian for International Business. This video will show you how to use Passport to find country information. Passport is a product of Euromonitor International, a market research company. Along with industry and consumer data, it has country reports with useful information on current business conditions and future trends. Passport is available from the Databases option. Select Databases, then Find by Title. Start typing Passport. When the full name appears, click on it to open the database. Reports in Passport's Country Profile series pull together recent statistics and analysis by country. Type Country Profile into the main search box, then select the Analysis tab and choose the country you want in the Refine Your Search selection at left. Today I'm selecting Australia. Click on the report to open it. Check the date on the report, the more recent the better, and avoid reports more than 12 months old. Each profile is divided into 3 main sections, followed by links to related statistics, industry reports, and other material. View the main report by scrolling, or click the heading, for example Statistical Summary, to jump to that section. In terms of future opportunities and challenges, the discussion in the main report contains some short-term projections. Related reports for rapidly developing sectors, such as digital, will also cover future prospects. For example, this one analysing Australia's digital landscape contains projections for internet use in 2031. Under more related items are other reports that may contain useful future projections. For example, this one discusses future demographics in Australia. Passport has many options not covered in this video and sophisticated tools for working with the data. Check out the videos under Help, top right of the screen, for more detailed instructions. If you need further help from the library, use Library Chat or the options shown in Connect with Us towards the bottom of the library homepage. You can also contact me for email support or a one-to-one consultation. Thanks for watching and good luck.